In recent years, the demand for online education has surged, presenting a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs to start their own online course platform. Building a successful online course platform requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a commitment to delivering valuable content. This video outlines a practical and detailed guide on how to start your own online course platform business. Step 1. Market research and niche identification. Before diving into the development phase, conduct thorough market research to identify the target audience and their needs. Choose a niche that aligns with your expertise or interests and has a demand in the market. Analyze competitors to understand what works well in the industry and where there might be gaps. A well-defined niche will set your platform apart and attract a more specific audience. Step 2. Content creation and curriculum development. The heart of any online course platform is its content. Develop a comprehensive curriculum that addresses the pain points of your target audience. Create engaging, high-quality content that incorporates various multimedia elements like videos, quizzes, and interactive assignments. Ensure that the content is structured logically, making it easy for students to follow. Consider collaborating with subject matter experts or experienced educators to enhance the credibility of your platform. Step 3. Choose the right technology and platform. Selecting the right technology is crucial for the success of your online course platform. Decide whether you want to build a custom platform or use existing learning management system (LMS) solutions. Platforms like Moodle, Teachable, or Thinkific provide user-friendly interfaces and can streamline the process. Additionally, invest in a reliable hosting service and ensure your platform is mobile-friendly to cater to a wider audience. Step 4. Marketing and branding. Develop a solid marketing strategy to promote your online course platform. Utilize social media, content marketing, and email campaigns to reach your target audience. Create a compelling brand that reflects the values of your platform and resonates with your audience. Offer free resources or trial courses to build trust and showcase the quality of your content. Consider partnerships with influencers or industry leaders to expand your reach and credibility. Step 5. Provide excellent customer support and continuous improvement. Once your platform is live, focus on delivering exceptional customer support. Respond promptly to inquiries and feedback, and actively seek ways to improve the user experience. Implement analytics tools to track user engagement and gather insights into course performance. Regularly update your content to stay relevant and competitive in the ever-evolving online education landscape. Encourage student reviews and testimonials to build trust and attract new learners. In conclusion, starting an online course platform business requires a strategic approach, from market research and niche identification to content creation, technology selection, marketing, and ongoing improvement. By following this comprehensive guide, entrepreneurs can embark on a successful journey to create a thriving online education platform that meets the needs of their target audience.